Hi, my friends. Ian Stewart here at Buildabizonline, and I'd like to welcome all brand new members and say hello to all us oldies. Some of you have been with me for the past 14, 15 years. We started in 2007, and you've been with us for a very long time, and you've seen some things, some changes. You've seen brilliant things, and a lot of members have made a lot of money with Buildabizonline, and I'm grateful to you all for supporting us. So, if I'll just give a little plug, if you are a free member, what I'd like you to do is to upgrade today for 1 month, just for 1 month, to see what you get access to. Okay, now a lot of people join programs similar to ours. I'm not interested in anything other than tools personally. That is my niche, as we call it. We all like something. Some people are crazy on traffic exchanges and make a lot of money from traffic exchanges. Some people like matrices, but I like tools. And a lot of people join tool programs for one of three reasons. Okay, if that is the way of putting it. Some join because they want to use the tools, that's all. They're not bothered about making money from the program at all. Second, some people join to make money from the program because they're not too fussed about the tools. They've got tools somewhere else. But as in our case, 100% commissions is a very fruitful enterprise to belong to. Okay, and then you've got the third person that uses both. Okay, now you know my story. I put Buildabizonline together because I was paying a fortune, over $50 per month for the tools that I needed. So I said, if I could make them and build my own program where I haven't got to go to this program for autoresponders, this program for splash page builders, this join this program to get trackers. If I could afford to do that, then I would put my own program together. So all the tools, the necessary tools, not the fluff, just the basic tools that you need to run an affiliate business online are all in one place. And that's what we did. That's what we did with the help of those that started to agree with me. We need a program with all the tools in one place where people can actually make money promoting their existing business using the Buildabizonline platform. And that's what we do. We've been doing it for some time, and some of our members are earning quite a lot of money, which is good. Now then, what do I want to mention to you? So I'm on my programs page at the second. Okay, I am on my programs page at the minute, and I don't promote a lot. The things that I do like are tools. Now, what I've put on my programs page is Buildabizonline, obviously, and this is, you can find this under the promotional tools, this big banner. I have to have a backup autoresponder, and if you've not joined that backup, now let's just say, and we haven't had this for a very, very long time, but technology is weird sometimes. If our server goes down, how do I contact you? How do I let the whole membership know what the problem is and how long it'll take to fix it? Simple. By joining another responder. Okay, and I've joined Traffic Wave. That's the only other one that I would recommend. And another great thing about this one, we are trying to do it with Buildabizonline. Our programmer is trying to work it out. But another great thing about Traffic Wave is that you can copy your team leaders' campaigns. All you need to do then is just alter the affiliate links and things like that. Okay, so that's a good thing. With this one as well, they allow, and I don't know how they get away with it, but you can add lists from other programs, other responders. Okay, so you can do that. But I use this as a backup. I use it to contact you if things go pear-shaped. Okay. I belong to 2 co-op traffic exchanges, and we own this one. And this is a copy of my 10 banner splash page. And if you want to know how to do that, I'll send you the video. Okay. So this is my programs page. But what I want to do right now, I want to log into my members area. Incidentally, let me just go back just 1 second. I have altered this top section, and that has attracted more people. If you click on the home page, let's just do that while we're here. So click on the home page just there. You will see this is our home page. And I've put on that now, driven by 100% commissions. And that has gone really, really well. This new membership level has really taken hold. Okay, so people can join you when you use yours, your link. They can learn more by clicking on this, or you can log in just here. So I'm just going to log in. So let me go there. So I've done that. Great. So that's the home page, and a lot of people have been promoting that, and they love that piece that says driven by 100% commissions. Who doesn't want 100% commissions? Now then, within the members area, I've altered 1 or 2 things as well. Now this is these little links on. I didn't want any links on the left hand side, but I needed to make sure that people saw them straight away. We've got the training videos up here, but this is the latest one. Okay, so you click on that and go straight to it. Testimonials, they're over at Leeds Leap. A lot of people from there have joined us and put their testimonials over there. It saves me making a page. This one here, password, it's a RoboForm piece of software that remembers a lot more than what Google can for your and you can use them anywhere. It doesn't matter, on your mobile phone and everything. Okay, so that's a password reminder, and this is the contact backup. So if you click on there, everything's a bit slow at the minute because I'm making this video, but if you click on there, just fill in this. I won't be sending you any offers or anything like that. It just puts you in the list over at Traffic Wave in my backup responder. Okay, like I say, some people use tools because they need the tools. Some they join these things to make money, and some for both. Okay, so I'm using Traffic Wave as a backup method to contact you. Now then, I've actually put, because 1 or 2 people are in Traffic Wave, if you click on step 4, you will see I've put Traffic Wave in there. So go and put your link in there, your username, only if you are a member of these particular programs. Okay, so it's a little downline builder or team builder, whatever you want to call it. Now then, other things that I've done. If I go to the toolbox now, this is all the free members tools, as you know, but for the pro members, if you click on this, and you'll only get access if you are a pro member, and we come over to the autoresponder. Now, I'm going to put buttons in here. I don't like this link, but you can register. Once you're a pro member, you can register for your autoresponder there. Once you are registered, you can just click on that, because what I want you to do is register using exactly the same details as you've got at Buildabizonline. And if you follow that, and don't use capitals, by the way, in your username, you should be able to click on that and go direct to your autoresponder program. And this is it. Okay, so listen to the video. And then I've got various campaigns. So I've altered some things because we had problems. we had problems, and you might still have problems, but since we have altered it now, for instance, let's just have a look at this one. Okay, if we go to the settings page, I've tidied all this up, and what you'll see here is the capture page content. So this is the home page. This is the confirmation page. Once somebody's filled in the form on this home page, then it will take them to this page, telling them to go to their email. Then once they've clicked on that link, it'll take them to a thank you page. And if they ever did unsubscribe, then it would take them to this page, which is not so pretty. Okay, so the thing that I've done in here, we've altered it, because what happened is every time we refresh this page or come into this page, it put gaps at the top. Now it's not doing it now. Okay, it's not doing it now. You can see there's no gaps performing at the top. Now, one of the reasons for this is that I have altered. See this niche campaigns here? Okay, so if you click on that, you'll see that there are 3 very popular niche ideas that I have added. Okay, so you follow the instructions on there. This tells you how well, exactly what it says on the tin there, how to sell ClickBank offers and things like that on your programs page and so on, or on your as one of your campaigns in your autoresponder. But this code has been altered because some of the code at the top was making this add. Let's just close that down and go back over here. Okay, so when people come into the campaigns and the settings page, it was adding spurious open bracket P, close bracket, and then so on. Gaps, basically, gaps every single place. Okay, so we fixed it. So that's good. Now, the next thing I want the programmer to do is to make this so that I can copy, probably, I don't know, somewhere here, somewhere around about this area. Would you like to pass these 2 codes on, or something like that, to your downline so that they can use the same splash page and things like that? So just like Traffic Wave, in fact, and 1 or 2 others do that as well. You can shared campaigns, they're called. So that's the next thing that I want the programmer to try and sort out. Okay, and this will become so valuable then. It's so easy to use this. Very, very easy. And don't forget the other tools that we've added. Now, some of our members have only just found these, and yet I sent emails out and I sent videos out, and they've just found them, and they're going crazy now, building lots and lots of capture pages and things like that. So these are the extra tools that we've got, built by Martin. We've got an inline form generator. We've got a 2-step form generator, a scarcity bar generator, a video background. Now, a lot of people say to me, Ian, can you make a Christmas video scene in the background? I don't do Christmas. So I thought, Marty thought, right, let's build a tool where you can add exactly what you want. All you got to do is go over to YouTube, click a few buttons, and you can put your own video background. And some of the videos that our members have put in there are brilliant. Some of the capture pages are absolutely amazing. Okay, so we've got the animated capture page generator as well, and the exit pop-ups. Now, this is pretty good as well. So when somebody goes to click to go off your page, it will come up with an offer. Okay, and it doesn't. It works with pop-up blockers. Okay, it's not obtrusive or anything like that. Okay, So these are the few things that I wanted to let you know. And again, I'm going to say to you, please, let me go back over to here. Let me go back over here. What I want you to do, guys, I want you to attempt to do something marvellous with Buildabizonline. And if you get stuck, I will help you. Okay, so what I would like you to do, just once, if you've never done it before, just do it once. Upgrade for 1 month. It's the price of a McDonald's, a burger, Burger King. That's what it is. Just take a punt, as we call it over here in the UK. I don't know whether they say that over in America, because a lot of our members are American. Just take a punt. Try it. Then get yourself access to this page and just look at the tools that you get. Okay, you can do some awesome things with Buildabizonline, and you will be able to use our tools, the tools that we put together over the years, my own ideas, members' ideas, other program owners' ideas. They've all been put together under one roof for you to promote any business that you want, so long as it's not war-related, porn-related, hate-related. You can promote whatever you want, and that was the idea behind Buildabizonline. So I'd like to thank you for listening and ask you one more time, please. On the bottom right somewhere, you should be able to see a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. Click the bell, and if you click the bell, then what will happen is anytime that I make a training video, even if it's for somebody else, you will be able to click on that. You'll be able to get notification that I've made that video. Okay, so click on that link, subscribe and hit the bell. And please, on some of the videos, like today, now, you are watching this on YouTube. Please either like or dislike this video. Dislike it if you want. Comment. In your comment, put an affiliate link, whatever you want to do. But please, get social. Interact. Okay, my friends, so thanks for listening, and bye-bye for now. And have yourself, even though I don't celebrate Christmas, have yourself a good holiday and use that time wisely with your friends and family. But please, stay safe with this pandemic. It's terrible. Okay, bye.